Hello everyone, my name is Joe, and welcome to my channel. Come join me as I work clearing land, cutting down trees, splitting wood, and learning how to operate equipment on my parents' 6-acre property here in North Carolina. Welcome back everyone, Joe here, Joe's Outdoor Experience. Today we're going to go ahead and take my Mahindra 1626, it's all greased up, washed up. We're going to get her nice and dirty and start using this backhoe. I would like to try to get 1 or 2 stumps out of the ground in the back just so I can get myself familiarized with the controls on here. Don't mind my fishing pole. Today when this comes out, we're actually heading to the beach. Alex wants to go fishing, so we're going to do some saltwater fishing and some surf casting and have a good time there. But until then, today I'm actually getting everything prepped, so we're gonna go get this taken down. We got some stuff for the goats for their pen, and yeah, we're gonna try to see what we can get into with this backhoe. My first time using one, so stick around. We're gonna go start the tractor up right now, and hope you enjoy. Before I go ahead and start digging out some of these stumps that I have planned on doing, what I would like to do is get rid of this concrete that we have here, and I want to repurpose it. So what I'm going to do is use this backhoe to try to dig them out, and then I'll turn around and use the grapple in the front and pick them up and stack them neatly. All right, so the reason I switched over from the backhoe to the grapple is because I'd probably be down here for the next 14 years, 6 days, and 25 hours if I kept going with that piece of machinery, because I'm pretty terrible at it, or with that piece of equipment rather. So I'm going to try my hand at it again at this little pile, see if I can move it all out, and then go ahead and use the grapple on it. You guys might be wondering what some of these controls do. I have no idea. I'm asking myself the same thing. Woo-hoo! Look at that. Heads up. guys, I'm a professional YouTuber. When you have shirts, you're recording. This is recording right now.
Oh, I thought you were doing a time lapse.
No. Sorry guys, if you heard Harry and my mom yapping over here like a bunch of schoolgirls while some of us are trying to work. Sheesh. All right, anyway. Hold on a second. All right, Harry. How strong does that shirt make you feel?
Oh, incredibly strong.
Right?
Like you were last week.
Last week?
Or a couple days ago, I don't know.
This guy.
Was it, you were trying to do something with this.
No, Harry doesn't understand when, you know, his finger took a beating. Look at the size of that. Whew.
That is still?
Yeah, that hurt. I almost had to get my finger amputated. I came close, but I
would have helped you with that.
I battled through.
I would have helped you with that.
He doesn't understand. I battled through that pain, and I made it. And now I got 10 fingers. So, as you guys can see, I'm horrible with that backhoe. That one, not that one. I'm horrible with this attachment. I'm gonna try to take that grapple. The IronCraft 48-inch root grapple. I'm gonna come hopefully from this angle here and just go ahead and kind of smooth that out towards that little creek that we have. And with the little pieces that we were able to grab out of here, I'm trying to build up that sidewall. With this concrete here, we're having Steve and Piedmont Tree Company come back down again. There's a few more trees on this road that they made back over here. And we're gonna get that culvert pipe put in, and I'm gonna use these pieces of concrete that you guys see here that we took out to put on each side of that culvert pipe so it doesn't move when we get it into the ground, and try to build up the walls of that with these pieces. So this is the remainder of what it looks like. I mean, I'm sure a lot of you guys out there could do a lot better job than I can, but I'm trying here. That's everything that came out of it. Some pretty big pieces of concrete here. Like, just for reference, look at how thick it is. All right, guys, so that's really it for today. Again, my name is Joe. We're down here in North Carolina at my parents' 6-acre property. We're trying to clear it out. They'd love to get more animals in the future. If you don't mind, if you have not subscribed, if you can subscribe, we'd love to have you back. If you can hit that like button, it truly helps out tremendously. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you again. Bye.